Okay, so today we're going to be demonstrating one of the custom built computers that we've got with a racing simulator game, and Marlon's trying out one of the Ferraris. So if you're interested in gaming, want to test out a Formula 1 car, come on by the shop tomorrow and take it for a test drive.
So right now we're running on a mini ITX case with a liquid cooler. This is an i7 processor. It's got a 1060 overclocked. This is the setup that I use at home. So for those who are looking for an entry-level racing simulator, this would be a great deal. Some people go for Fanatec as well as Thirst Master. I think for me, I've been using this for over a year and it's a great unit. I never had issues with it. You can feel pretty much everything. Slips, you got the sport pedals, and then you can get the stick shift on the side as well. Right now we are running a Formula 1 car on the Nürburgring in Germany. So pretty much you can have it automatic, you can have it manual, the car however you want. You can customize it to what you want it. I've seen people driving the cars on a bigger setup, so if you're interested or looking for a nice and big setup that will handle even 4K monitors, we will have it ready for you. We're going to build it, we're going to make sure that everything is running properly, and you know, just have enough memory, enough storage, people modding the cars and everything. So if you have any questions about this build or any other racing cockpit or builds, you can give us a call at 281-647-9977.